Hey guys, welcome back here to Funkytown Collectibles here on this Sunday evening. We have a special unboxing video for you today. We got our crew back together with Brianna and Jay.
Hi guys. Hi, dude.
Okay. We also added, we got some Disney Winnie the Pooh mystery minis that we bought. I think they came out like last month sometime or a month and a half ago, but we just not got them in. And we also got the Marvel Collector Core Holiday Box from Amazon that we're going to unbox for you. So, with that, I guess we'll get started. I guess I'll probably unbox mine first, huh?
Sure.
All right. Enthusiasm? It's awesome.
Yep.
So these are, if you don't know, this is, you can only get this box from Amazon. Amazon has this in the Star Wars box. And then, of course, Hot Topic has the Disney monthly box. But they come out every other month, so we'll see what they have inside of it. They usually release the contents early, but we haven't looked, so we don't even know what's in it. We got a t-shirt here.
Right.
A Infinity Gauntlet t-shirt. I don't know if you can see it or not.
They make
Looks
it look
pretty
like an ugly Christmas sweater.
Looks pretty cool. Don't you think so?
Amazing ugly Christmas sweater.
Looks like we got two pops in here. We got the THOR Holiday Pop. That's pretty cool looking.
Wow.
His hammer is actually a present. That's pretty dope.
Merry Christmas. Get smashed in the face with a hammer.
Present. His hammer is a present. Then we have another Holiday Groot with the lights on. Looks like a Christmas tree. That's a pretty cool box.
Got the Guardians of the Galaxy
What else do we have in
symbol on
here?
his head instead of the star.
We have, it looks like what they call toothpick holders. Pretty cool. One's Thanos, and one is Captain America.
One is inevitable, the other one isn't.
I am inevitable.
Wow.
Jay, you're being really dumb.
All right. That's a pretty cool box. Pretty cool contents, huh?
Yes. Yep.
Put this down here. I'll put these right here. I don't know if y'all can see them or
Why
not.
didn't you eat the box? Yeah.
There we go. Maybe we can zoom in there at the end so you can see them all. So who wants to start with the mystery minis?
Eat us. Start this time?
Go ahead. Your turn.
Alright.
These are all 1 in 12s. They're not necessarily specialty series, but they all look pretty cool. Anybody could be a fan of Winnie the Pooh. Open it up.
That is what we call a yeet. No.
They got all different kinds on there. They got Heffalump,
I got
Christopher
Pooh in
Robin.
his pajamas. Woozle.
Let me see. Well, that's a cool looking one.
Yes.
It's pretty dope looking. Let me see.
You want to see, Jay? Yeah.
Pretty
It looks
cool.
amazing.
Go ahead and open yours.
Smells like the biggest voice crack ever.
That's one of the, that's not the original Pooh. That's one of like the specialty ones they added in there at the very end.
That's so yeet.
What do you got?
Christopher Robin himself.
Christopher Robin himself. Christopher Robin does not waddle.
Anyone can waddle.
But they did a good job on him. Don't you think? Looks pretty cool. Go ahead and open yours. Open your next one. I think it looks pretty dope. And it stands up.
Why can I not do this?
He's a kid with skills. He can
Shut up,
actually stand.
Even though we pre-cut some slits in the bottom for safety purposes.
Oh my god, this is so hard.
Seems like they're still having some technical difficulties.
Okay. Yay.
I hope we get Heffalump, Woozle, or Rabbit.
Well, I got Tigger.
Or Tigger.
Is that good enough?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Tigger's pretty cool.
Looks
Nice
like-
paint job on him.
Looks like he's stretching out for a hug.
Tigger loves hugs. And he loves bouncing.
The wonderful thing about Tigger is Tigger the wonderful thing. The tops are made out of rubber, the bottoms are made out of spring.
Go ahead. Who are you hoping that we get?
Eeyore.
You are kind of yours. Who are you hoping we get?
Oh, I lost my
Everyone.
tail.
Everyone?
Yes.
Wow.
You were supposed to eat that, Jay.
You
Who are we getting?
you are getting.
No, I want to get Eeyore. Not you.
Looks like we got Kanga.
Kanga.
Yeah.
Fine. I won't waddle. We'll bounce.
Jay, you.
That's pretty cool. Now all we do need is Roo to go with it.
But you can't say kangaroos don't bounce.
Go ahead with yours. Let's try that again.
I want to see you to the bag instead of the bomb.
Rip into it.
I got a Woozle.
A Woozle. Not to be confused with the Heffalump.
Oh my gosh.
It's
You
pretty
were
cool
the one
looking.
doing that earlier.
No,
Yeah.
pretty cool looking.
Yeah.
Put it right there. Nice color on it. Oh, he even has something on the back.
He's holding a honey pot.
That's he. I guess he steals Winnie the Pooh's honey pot, huh? I don't know. Get back with you on that.
Don't ask
Go
me.
ahead.
I don't know either.
Have to fact check that.
I swear, if you get Eeyore, I'm gonna cry because I want to unbox it. I'm just kidding. No.
Well, you both unbox Eeyore.
Can you not do that with your nose?
Yeet.
Rip into it.
Okay.
That's not it.
Hey! We
Rude.
got
There
Roo
you go. We
now.
got Roo to go with Kanga.
That's.
Pop.
Yeah.
He looks pretty dope. Actually, all these, I like the way they're doing the mystery minis.
Can I see that one?
They all look pretty relevant. They all look pretty cool.
This one looks cool though. I like it.
3 more apiece to go. They really improved on the way they make their mystery minis look. Some of the older ones didn't really look that great. But these last probably 6 or 7 sets that came out look really cool.
I got a rabbit. I don't remember the name.
His name's Rabbit.
Rabbit.
Oh. I did
Rabbit's
that.
name is Rabbit.
The more you know.
Imagine that. It's not named Tim. It's Rabbit.
Is it? Wait.
It's pretty cool looking. Go ahead. See how his face looks all cool and everything? It doesn't look all sorry, like horrible animation or nothing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Any day now.
3 days later.
Yeet.
Any day now.
3 weeks later.
We got Owl.
We got Owl.
Flap, 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 flap.
It's pretty cool because he's kind of the one that holds everything together in Winnie the Pooh. He's the wise one. Typically, owls are wise. But, yeah. I like it. And again, they all stand up.
Yay, standing up mystery minis.
Oh my gosh.
Didn't quite make that one.
Just like what I did with the past 5. Yay. Just gotta be Eeyore.
Rip into it.
Oh, now you can't say that everyone stands up. That guy sits down.
Jay,
Wow.
shut up. Well, Pooh sits down too.
Eeyore for Eeyore. Good job.
Well, I kind of can't
Wow,
say
are you saying I'm
person's
Eeyore?
name.
Yes, you are.
I lost my tail. I'm gonna go cry for the next week.
Go ahead.
That basically sums up Eeyore.
Open your box.
David did a good job making his tail with the bow on it.
Yeah, I didn't know that.
The ribbon.
Aw.
And it's got, like, the nail holding it together. The pin, the thing. The thingamajig.
The thingamajig. Eeyore's a thingamajig.
Yeah.
The stuff you learn hanging out with young ones.
The more you know. Now the rest of the box, you're gonna be Eeyore.
Yeet.
Rip into it.
Really?
I'm pleasantly surprised with what we got so far. No doubles.
Yes.
We got the
Yeah.
other
Still
Pooh.
no doubles. We got the original Pooh.
It's
Wait,
got
so
honey all over him because
all the characters we've got have been different so far, right?
Yep.
So we
So
have
far.
2 more characters to get. Let's hope they're not.
So if you don't ruin it, we won't get a duplicate.
Well then. Maybe Jay will ruin it.
Maybe.
nah.
So far, my favorite one is probably maybe the rabbit or Eeyore. I would say so.
This one feels empty. Oh, never mind.
Empty bag.
Eeyore does
Wait
look
a
cool.
minute. Oh no.
The owl looks really cool too. You can see
Oh, never mind. I
like
thought,
how
I thought
the
it was
feathers
blue.
work and everything.
I got Piglet.
Yay, Piglet!
The pig's name is Piglet.
More you know. I didn't know that earlier, apparently. So
That's pretty cool looking.
it's.
Last chance for you not to ruin the double.
He's gonna.
It's pretty rare when you open 12 mystery boxes, mystery minis,
All different.
and you don't get a double.
Jay, it's all up to you. If you ruin
It's all
this,
up to you.
if you ruin this,
Yeet.
you have one left. You need to have one, right?
It is the Heffalump!
Oh, wait, I need.
No doubles!
I need.
Looks pretty cool looking.
It looks pretty eatable.
I definitely like it.
Looks really
I
cool.
changed my opinion now. My favorite one is the Heffalump.
I still like Eeyore.
What's your favorite one? Winbox Eeyore. What about yours?
Either the Heffalump or the owl.
Or the
I don't really know much about the owl, but the owl does look really cool.
It does.
I also like Piglet.
But I'm pleasantly surprised we didn't get a double. 12 boxes, no doubles. So,
Yeah. It's probably never gonna happen again, so enjoy it.
well, that about wraps it up for today. The next mystery minis we get in should be the new Fantastic Four that are coming out in a couple of weeks. So we look forward to that. Anything you want to say? Add to it? Suggestions?
No?
Nope. So make sure you leave a comment down below. Let us know what you thought about our mystery minis, our haul, our unboxing. If you have any suggestions on what you think you might want to see us unbox, let us know. We'll see what we can do to get it in. And yeah, we'll catch you next time. Bye.
Bye, guys!
Bye.
Hey guys, if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you
Like,
comment,
subscribe.
also ring that bell so you get notifications whenever we make new videos. That's all I need to be said here, so bye guys!